Good day. My report is using mobile phones in school. Mobile phone. An electronic telecommunication device often referred to as a cellular phone or cell phone. Mobile phones connect to a wireless communications network through radio wave or satellite transmission. Mobile phone provides voice communication, short message service, multimedia message service, and newer phones may also provide internet service such as web browsing and email. Martin Cooper, an American engineer. He is a pioneer and visionary in the wireless communication industry. We have many advantages on cell phone, and one is helpful in emergency, texting, connecting people, and use of internet. And we have disadvantages. Negative effect in health, mobile phone towers, unexpected phone calls, increase in expenses, time distraction, and use in classroom and examination hall. Why we incorporate cell phones into classroom? Because 17 million teens in the US have a cell phone. Parents want their children to have them. Messaging capability, multiple built-in features, news source, RSS feed, resource, podcasting, videocasting, and student with disabilities. My thoughts in cell phone. Cell phone accepted by many people. Few students use it for learning. Taking notes in cell phone also a method of learning. And the last, disadvantages more than advantage. Thank you.